So these are the rules that I follow in my trading daily. अगर इनमें से कुछ भी गलत होता है तो no trading for the whole week. Before moving ahead, these are the rules that I follow. You do not have to be very rigid. See, rules are different for everyone. If you are trading options, तो there is no chance कि तुम 2% per day पे तुम्हारा काम चल जाए, because every trade has to be 5, 6, 10%. So that is not how it works. So these rules are not rigid. You can change them accordingly. It's just that these are the rules that I follow just to give you a benchmark. कि सट्टे में भी नियम होने जरूरी हैं. For any given day, the maximum loss that you can do is 2% per day. Maximum. So if your capital is 1 lakh rupees, there is no chance that you are losing more than 2000 in a day. No. Never. 1 lakh का 2% ही go है. Yeah. So the second rule that I follow is maximum 3 trades per day. I usually aim for 2 trades, but if the setups are very good and if I am profitable for the whole day, I'll go for the third trade also. That is mainly to keep myself away from the over trading that I might do. So the third rule is journaling every trade. Be it profit, be it loss, be it break even, I have to journal every trade because data is above everything. This is what helps in getting that edge. So because I might know that I am very good at uptrends, I might be good at these demand zones, these EMAs and everything, and this is how I'll get to know what exactly works for me. So in order to find your edge, you have to journal every trade. That is rule 3. So the fourth rule is, if I consecutively hit 2 loss days, say on Monday and Tuesday I have losses, so I would not be trading for the rest of the week. So this is because in that week I have lost almost 4 to 5% already. So I do not want that my psychology hinders. So if I have loss on Monday and Tuesday, तो बाकी का week which is Wednesday, Thursday and Friday I would not be trading. As simple as that. Apart from these rules, there are also some rules such as if the zone is not very clear, do not trade. If the setup is not clear, do not trade. I have to take 1:2 minimum. I have to follow the trend and all these things. But the point is that these rules are not rigid for you. I might follow these rules. I might also alter these rules some days, right? Because the point is that rules have to be in back of your mind just to keep yourself accountable, just to have something that this is not what I do, this is what I do. So just to have an accountability, have rules for you. It might be different because there might be people who might trade crypto, who might trade forex, who might trade options. So these risk management and all these things are different for you. So this is just a benchmark and this is what I follow. And stay tuned for other videos. Bye bye. यार भाई, ये रूल्स फॉलो करने में तो सालों लग जाते हैं. हरी नीली लाइनें तो यही भी दे दे, और जिस दिन ये रूल फॉलो होने लग गए उस दिन BMW घर के नीचे मिलेगी तुमको. आई एम ऑल्सो वेटिंग फॉर दैट डे.